Welcome back to the nature show, and today we are looking for bugs and other stuff to add on bugs and terrariums. It's an app I created, and if you did not watch the short, the voice in the background was my helper. But let's get started. And I will need your help in the comments to vote if I should use this. Wait, or I'll be right back. If I should use this, whatever, I'll be right back. Sorry for the delay. Whenever I hear a car coming, I'm just gonna pause it. But here's our first pick. A cicada shell. Would that be good on bugs and terrariums for like a terrarium pack, a forest terrarium pack? Comment below. I'll have some poles and hang on. Have some poles in the post. And you can, the one that gets the most votes will go on there, unless we have a couple. So cicada shell will be one of them. Now we have some other ones. No, I'm not doing pine cones because, ow, sorry, gonna enough of them. And then I have something to add, which is a hobby I love. So I'll easily have tons of these. And yeah, and where'd it go? Bug. No. That's a shell. Hey, don't mess with it. It's an ant. I can't see here. There is a carpenter ant. Should we add ants on it? That'd be good. Have lots of them. And then there is there's dried moss from just found it in our yard. No, I'm not telling you the phone number or anything. And then we have I'm not allowed to sell plants for some reason. I need a license. No, I'm not getting it. Hang on. We have some other ants, which would be good, but now, no, not. We have acorns, and don't plant them. They're just for decoration. Selling acorns that either have holes in them, because that means they've been eaten, and so you won't be able to plant them. Have rocks, which I already have on there, and even if ants don't get lots of holes, I'm still probably gonna add them. And then I have jumping spiders, which will easily maybe be on there, but if I show you a jumping spider, you'll easily do like 600. And then that's about it, but now let's go to the nature stuff. Yeah, that's important for this video. It's gonna be a long day. sorry. That was my friend. He was over. No, he's not a YouTuber. As you all know, I'm new on YouTube, so. But I think that should wrap it up. But I do know a lot of stuff you can't buy. And here's something cool about my app. There is a way we can contact you, and you can contact us. But the cool thing is you can, if you want to, open a store in real life. And this is, ooh, flowers. Should I sell these? Maybe. I have a lot of things to think through. So, all those polls will be probably posted by about maybe say, like maybe like tomorrow, sometime tomorrow. No, this is both. Not both. I'm sorry, I have too much. Not so many bulk out. This is the nature show. Signing off.